It's Tim and Tammy time. Thanks for watching us.
Please like, please subscribe.
Yeah, this is kind of where we wanted to go, I think, on today's mission. We wasn't sure if it was going to be a mission impossible, but
Wasn't sure I was gonna make it.
yeah, looks like you did. Private property, no trespassing. That's probably part of the Georgia Port Authority again.
Probably is.
So this is where we were heading for.
Love this bridge back here that we walk across. I do love this bridge. That's the trestle right there.
Yeah.
Actually, Tim, that's pretty big for a trestle. It's got to be more than one train if it's a trestle. Look how big that is. It's not. It just goes to right there.
Well, it was maybe.
I don't really know what it is. I haven't been up top side.
Well, you can't. Okay, we think it's a train trestle. There is a, well, if it is, it turns here.
And that would be weird. Let's go ahead and, well,
this is awesome. Sound like I heard the door squeak.
it sounds like styrofoam. You know what though? It's haunted down here, y'all.
You know, temperature's dropped since we got here.
It's a lot cooler over here than it was when we first started walking. And I don't know what that creepy creaking sound is.
That's gotta be part of it, or is it the road?
Oh my word, did y'all hear that? It's got to be that tree right there, Tim. You see that tree going up and then it's got a limb. This tree right here in front of
It's
me.
either that or this thing right here that's swinging in the wind.
What thing's swinging? I don't see nothing.
Down at the end there's a cable swinging.
It's not the cable, it's over here. It's that tree. It is that tree rubbing against that concrete.
Or it's a ghost.
Or we can go back to, we're down here at a haunted place. It's cold and it's a ghost. Man, I hope y'all can hear it.
That's pretty.
Huh?
Should be able to get a good view right here.
Okay, it's not what I thought it was. The tree's not moving against the concrete.
It could be from up there.
It's something up there on top of that thing, and we don't.
It's rolling that tree limb right there.
I see. I don't know what that thing is. Here, take this bag. Oh my goodness.
See, the wind's blowing that
Yeah. Let me go ahead and change that while I'm
tree, so it's, you know.
I put the 30-minute battery in there. It wasn't no big deal at all. The whole time we were doing that, the minute you put the camera back together, it started back. It is a ghost who wants to be on camera.
Say that again.
As long as we were standing here, trying to take the camera off the,
And just change the battery.
we changed the battery, it was quiet. And then we turned it right back on, and it came right back on. So the ghost wants to be on camera.
Wants to be a celebrity.
And who am I to say no?
This is cool though, it really is.
I do love this spot, and I didn't really expect to come back to it.
Well, we won't go much further.
I'm just to the other side of this bridge.
And if you want to know what's on the other side, just woods.
Woody woods.
Woody woods. And this is what's above us.
It's a pretty cool place down here.
It is.
Whether the sun's out or not, it's cool.
That's what's above us. Sun's trying to come back through. right there is spooky. Just this shot right here. And that one is too. And it did. The temperature dropped when we got on this thing. It did, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. But
I mean, you know, it's because of the trees and the clouds. I realize that, but you know, it could be explained that way anyway. But you know, it could also be that it's haunted. This is a cold spot.
Stop, look. You're missing folks.
Oh yeah.
My gosh. Look how it's just grown on to the.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Well, I was looking
out.
up.
It got
Sorry.
really fat and then it got really skinny again.
Sun's coming back out. Look at that. Yeah, this is a cool tree right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's not letting this fence keep it from
There's one down here that's hooked to the fence.
growing. Yeah, another one.
Now, I want to point out this thing over here that we're looking at. We're walking beside. It comes out down there, see? You see it goes out and goes to that. Then it goes all the way, and then it comes back over here.
It does.
I don't know what it's for.
Maybe it was a road at one time.
Why would you? No, that makes no sense.
I know. Why would you have a road going out into the...
And driving over the top of the river. It's something, but I don't know what it is.
Anybody knows?
It did have rails, but the rails are mostly gone. I think
Rails
it's
of the
something
crazy
people-
train?
I think people probably had access to it one time, but they don't anymore.
Yeah, they definitely don't anymore. See, comes back over here.
Dirt daubers.
Yeah. Let's go out a little ways.
I need to stop and take some water. So.
Well, I say we go to the end of this
How we go to that bench?
railing.
Yeah.
I want to turn back and look where we was at. But yeah, we could go to the bench and sit a minute.
Go to the bench for a minute.
That's fine. And we still got the river there. We haven't forgot about that. See? River.
I'm not worried about the river. I love the bridge.
River. River. And look at the effect this part of being close to the river, I imagine, has on this iron.
Oh, goodness, yeah.
I'm assuming that's what it is.
Yeah. I guess.
And here's a bush trying to come in on the bridge.
You won't get on, they'll cut it down.
See, they got this where they can cut this off if they want to. Their gates right here.
Yeah.
And it's rarely used. I mean, it's rarely closed. They probably do it whenever it's maybe overflowing, but that's where we just come from right there. Treated combined sewer overflow. Okay, so there's something down here. Oh yeah, you can go out on it. Should I?
That one's smaller than that one.
This is it's a little steep.
You don't have to go down there.
I wanted to get the view of the...
Okay. Take your time.
Let's look at test it first, right? Oh, we're still recording.
Never turned it off.
We can't see it too good, but that's where we was at right there. And Lord, I hope that this concrete don't fall in.
I was hoping that it would have a, well, we could see what's out there.
Look at that curvy tree. Tammy just goes up here like there's nothing to it. Anybody need a tire?
We come in at lamp post 256, we're at 282.
So we've been through,
Almost 30 lamps.
yeah. Good observation.